All right, trying to get this up and running. Okay. All right. All right. Is that good? All right. Hi, everybody. Just finished cleaning the top of the minivan with soapy water and a toothbrush and shop towels. Still a lot of chipping area, so I don't know. I've never done this before, so I'm assuming I'll have to sand this down with some grade of sandpaper. I'm going to start off low because there's some bubbling, and I'm just going to hand paint it and see how it works, how to take the stuff off the best I can. Maybe find a couple more spots that might need the toothbrush. And it looks pretty good. There's some rust coming in here, so I'll probably put primer on it, I guess. Is primer cut down on rust? Or do you have to put some kind of rust protection on it? The rest of it's okay. It's slick, but the rusty stuff feels like rust. So that's it for now. I will update you guys once I start painting, and once I figure it all out, taping it up and stuff, so, and the sanding part. All right,